because even cyber thing. If that's too script for you, we'll get ready for a big shock of that. Exactly. Okay, exactly. If that what every other being will become in the future. And here goes 10,000 years from today. Enters the red central star that is 50 brightest in our night sky will explode in a supernova. It's gonna get crazy. Okay, guys, I know because I'm on my blind. The glorious event will be visible with a naked eye, even a broad daylight, if there still is a human eye to behold it. Dad, sorry. 100,000 years in the future, and many of the constellations we know will become unrecognizable because we know that. Okay, we know that. It's good. Because of the nature movement of stars, at nearly the same time Venus merges, other super bright star will explode in a huge nova, a much more powerful version of a supernova, destroying dozens or even hundreds of nearby planets, and Earth will celebrate the distance anniversary by supervolcanic eruption with hot magma. It's going to suck. And volcano ash covering 1,000 upon 1,000 of square miles of land. Oh God, I would like to say this. In 500,000 years, our planet will be struck with huge blunder from the sky and enthroned of about half a mile in diameter. If humans don't find a way to avoid impact, it will cause mass destructions on Earth. In 1 million years, 2 out of 4 moons of Uranus will collide with each other, causing chaos problem. At the same time, Biology is one of the brightest stars in our galaxy will explode clearly. It's gonna be so bad. Probably gonna get so bad, guys. Betelgeuse, at the same time, Betelgeuse, one of the brightest star galaxy, explode clearly. Okay, that's what I said. Visible from Earth, just 400,000 years later, Pluto, one of Mars' 2 satellites, will break apart because of of interest in the gravity, and the red planet will have its own set of rings, just like Saturn. It's gonna get crazy, guys. And somewhere far away at edge of the solar system, a large star called Gliese 710 will enter the Oort cloud, which is a field of ice continents making the borders of our system. Because of the stars, many of those comments might turn in the direction. Eventually, Borbidin is going to blow up. 110 million years from now is when the sun will become 1% brighter. 1% brighter. It will change the settlement of on every planet in the solar system ever, so slightly making it hotter and hotter still. At 2 billion years mark, the sun instantly will make oceans evaporate on Earth. So it's gonna get just real sandy. The life on our planet will cease to exist in all but the simplest form, which will soon go extinct. 4 billion years from the Milky Way galaxy will condole with the I can't pronounce it right. Andromeda galaxy. Supermassive black holes in the center of both of them will get close to each other. So basically, why I was so nervous, that's because they're gonna have holes over the center and get closer to each other. You know what that means, right? Right. You know what that means, right, guys? And become making it one hypermassive black hole that has a mass of a billion of suns, and that will mark the birth of the brand new galaxy Andromeda. It's gonna be so good. And there I have a big scales convincing and try to get you to join. You're gonna try to get you to join, boy. In 7 billion.9 year, the sun will become super inflated and turn into a red giant. Swallowing the closest planet, including the Skeleton hot piece of rock that was one. So because luckily Earth is not going to get that big. Because Earth is big. 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 But the star only does go into white in 8 billion years. So it's gonna take 8 billion years. Wow. I'm not proud. Not proud, boy. All planets of the solar system that survive the order will quickly lose heat because this. The sun will become twice as small as it is today. I cried. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. I forgot. In 100 billion years, the universe will stretch so far and so fast the galaxy will become invisible from each other. Nowhere, boy, nowhere, boy, nowhere, boy, nowhere, boy, nowhere, boy, nowhere, boy. I'm a space. I'm an NASA, boy. You know that's USA, boy. USA, boy. Oh yeah. So some say it's faster than the speed of light, which makes it impossible to see the actual. Okay, guys, it's going to see Mac. It's just the universe by any means, probably in a trillion years, new stars will stop abounding in space. The ever-expanding universe will stretch so much that the distance between stars and galaxies, oh God, is just too big. But there will be no gas clouds and thus no matter for new stars to take shape. In 100 trillion years, the digestion era will begin. With no fuel to feed the new stars, they will simply stop forming at all, even if some tried. At first, at the same time, the exciting stars will slowly fade, turning from bright objects into dwarfs, red, blue, white, and brown. In 120 trillion years, only white and brown dwarf stars will remain, where normal stars. Oh my God! Sorry. Have once been. All of them will have lost all their fuel, and space will be stretched with their fading. remains of stars. The universe will become a dark place to live in. Also, some brown dwarfs will collide with each other, merging into red dwarfs for short periods of time. But in the end, with no fuel to burn, those two will be extinction, and they will only be darkness. In one quantum years, all planets will be thrown out of orbits and sent drifting in the cold dark out of space. Nothing will be alive able to live. Nothing will be able to live on any of those planets anymore, and nothing could regain. Any of the stars in space, one counting years and things that once were stars will also become ejected from their classic wandering the empty universe for the rest of their time, which is by space standards not very long. In 1045 years, even parties 1045 years, even parties years. No, not like 1045. It's like 1000 quality. You know what I mean. Even parties that make up everything metal in the universe will start to discuss. And when they finish that progress, the black hole era will begin. Black holes will be the only object remaining in the universe. Welcome to the star, boy. Welcome to the star, boy. Anything in the universe you can see, but you fell at but you win at the champion. We are like the champion. We are champion. We are like the champions. We are like the champions, boy. We are like the champions, boy. We are like the champions, boy. Sorry for falling around. But yeah. But even black holes are not enduring. They will decide to, and that will happen in about 107 years from now counting. 107 counting years from now. What will remain after disappear? It is almost pure vacuum filled with tiny subatomic particles. They will be vast, incredible ocean of emptiness until even those little things disappear too, making the universe an absolutely void. Now, for quantity of years, there will be nothing. This period is called the Dark Era, and time won't matter at this point. But then, if we leap forwards and in numbering amount of years, what's this? Space seems to be moving. It's replaying. The replays are getting bigger and wider, taking in more and more of empty universe. But how could that even happen in the anti-vacuum? Well, that's because of the force vacuum that exit Algerside. The real one, no one knows exactly what it is, but if you watch long enough, you see. Oh, you see that? Oh, there you have it. The false vacuum has just inflated and heated up to extreme temperature, exploding in the... It's getting better, guys. Empty space and filling it with new energy, giving life to the new universe, and possibly not even a single one. You know this event as the Big Bang. This how our universe was born, and how it will probably be reborn after billions of years. Upon billions of years. But timeline right now seems to me like a pretty good time to be alive. Make sure to go outside and play some today. Work on it so you can the universe. So yeah. Hey, if you learn something new today, then give the video a like and share it with a friend. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in next time. Bye.